Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to verify Bitcoin on Cash App on Android. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Cash App mobile application and then you need to tap on the home page in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Once you do this, you will be landed on this money page where you are going to see the option of Bitcoin. So you simply need to click on Bitcoin. Once done, you will be redirected on this section where you will have to select it as Bitcoin in the top and then you need to click on buy. Once done, you will be shown the current price of Bitcoin. Now over here, you just have to scroll down and here you are going to see this section which says verify your identity. So over here, you need to click on get started. After that, it will show you this prompt which says we need a little more information to enable withdrawals and deposits. So over here, you need to press continue in the bottom. Then it will ask you to provide the verification code that they have sent you on the number that you have registered previously. Now, if you haven't already created your account on Cash App with your phone number, then instead of the verification code, it will ask you to first enter your phone number and after that it will ask you to confirm it with the 6-digit verification code. So you need to put that code in this section and then you need to press next in the bottom. After that, you will be landed on the buy page again where you can purchase Bitcoin using Cash App. It means that you have successfully verified Bitcoin on Cash App. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.